Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
Start with the basics. In this video, I will show you how to make yummy salad dressing. First, gather your ingredients. A classic vinaigrette uses a 3-to-1 ratio of oil to acid. For example, 3/4 of a cup of extra virgin olive oil and 1/4 of a cup of white wine vinegar. This simple combination forms the foundation for many delicious dressings. Now, let's add some flavor. A small amount of Dijon mustard, about 1 teaspoon, helps emulsify the dressing, making it smooth and creamy. Freshly minced garlic, 1 or 2 cloves, adds a wonderful aromatic depth. Don't forget a pinch of salt and freshly ground black pepper to really make those flavors pop. Ready for some variations? For a touch of sweetness, try adding 1 tablespoon of honey or maple syrup. If you prefer a savory profile, a dash of soy sauce or Worcestershire sauce can introduce a lovely umami. Fresh herbs, such as dill or parsley, finely chopped, will bring a vibrant, fresh taste to your dressing. Finally, let's talk about mixing and storage. Whisk all your ingredients vigorously in a bowl or shake them well in a jar until everything is thoroughly combined and emulsified. Store your homemade dressing in an airtight container in the refrigerator. It will stay fresh for up to 5 days. Remember to give it a good shake before each use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.